Hi Texters, Nick here, Sales Development Team Lead at Easy Texting. Why send time-consuming marketing emails ignored in overflowing inboxes or trapped in spam folders when you can send automated text messages with 98% open rates? An automated or recurring text is sent regularly, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. These are commonly used to remind your contacts to take regular action, such as submitting a time card. The ability to send a recurring text message is available in each of our subscription plans. To learn more about our subscription plans or how to upgrade to one that includes recurring text campaigns, please click the iCard in the top right. To create your first recurring text message, click Create and then on Group Text. Select your campaign recipients and write your message. After you have composed your message, scroll down and select the radio button that says Schedule Recurring. You can configure how you'd like your campaign to run from here. The Repeats dropdown allows you to determine if you want your campaign to repeat daily, weekly, or monthly. Daily campaigns can be scheduled every 1 to 31 days. Weekly campaigns can be scheduled every 1 to 52 weeks on a specific day of the week or multiple days, such as Tuesdays and Thursdays. Monthly campaigns can be scheduled every 1 to 12 months and deployed on the first day of the month, the last day of the month, or a specific day. The starts on and ends on options can be used to set your campaign start and end dates. When you're all finished, click Done and then on Review Message. The review screen will summarize the contact list, estimated credit usage, and delivery date and time. Please note, credits are deducted from your account each time a message is sent. The total amount may vary based on contact list size when sending. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Schedule Message. And just like that, you've successfully scheduled your first automated text message campaign with Easy Texting. It's quick and easy, so you can spend more time on what matters most, nurturing relationships with new and returning customers at scale. Happy texting!
Try it free today at easytexting.com/start.